Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all once again into my space. I'm not at home, I'm at the office, so what I'm going to do is decorate it, style it out for the Easter and the spring season. Now, I had created a vignette for St. Patrick's Day, and I had already started decorating the tree for Easter. So I took a pause, as you can see the tree there in the corner. I took a pause on that to create the space for St. Patrick's Day and for some spring. I've added some florals in the office already. So I'm here dismantling the St. Patrick's Day vignette, and we're going to style it out for spring and Easter. And I wanted to bring you guys along with me as much as I can. So what we're going to do is decorate this space. We're going to give it a beautiful vibe for the spring and Easter season of 2022. Now, you guys, I thank you all so much for stopping by, but I need you to go ahead and grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're going to drink, and maybe get you a snack, because I want you to just sit back, relax, and enjoy as I decorate this space. Oh guys, I'm so sorry, I forgot to smile when I looked at the camera. I am so intense when I am decorating. I am trying to get it done because I know I don't have a lot of time. So I appreciate all of you for clicking that button. If you're new, I welcome you. If you love to be a part of this family, I would love to have you. And it's easy. Hit that red subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice, and therefore you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for all of you that continue to show me love and support, I take this time to say thanks. Now, later in the video, I will give a shout out as part of Women's Month. So as part of a challenge also, we are to show love to a sister on the platform by shouting out the channel. So I will do that and link the channel link in my description box. So if you're not a member of that channel that I shout out, I will love for you to go over and show love. Now, the person that I'm going to shout out today, there are so many of you guys that I love, and I'm going to maybe do two today. So these are people that show me so much love, and I just can't call out everybody. I wish that I could. So I'm going to do my best to get through to a lot of you through the end of the month. I was not going to do it because I felt like each time I called out a channel, I will lose several supporters. So it is what it is. I don't know what that is all about, but I want to continue to show love. So you guys continue to watch as I create this content. Be blessed, take care, and enjoy to the end. Hey guys, as you see here in the basket, the wicker basket, I used it during the St. Patrick's Day vignette, but I thought I'd give myself a basket of eggs with the little bunny sitting on top. And also, it was used during my St. Patrick's Day vignette, as well as the vase here. The florals are mostly from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. The little trucks you see and the eggs are from the Dollar Tree. The little, almost like a necklace type over on the little bunny, I picked that up from Hobby Lobby, I think. And then most of the items on the tree are from the Dollar Tree, except for the garland that you see, that beautiful garland wrapped around the tree. It was a purchase from Hobby Lobby earlier on in the season, or early on when they started selling Easter decor. I purchased that at 40% off. And so all of the little beautiful picks and things are from the Dollar Tree, and I picked most of them up on last year. But you guys, this is the total view of the space, and I just love it when the lights are on the tree. It's just so beautiful. So you guys, let me know what you think of this setup here, and also stay connected for the shout out of the sisters that I will be recognizing here in honor of Women's Month as part of a challenge. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Hey guys, my shout outs for this video, and I do have to repeat the one that I did last video because I don't feel as though I did it properly, and that was to Simple Southern Reflections. She's got a corner called Kelsey's Corner, and you guys, some amazing things happen over on that channel. Also, we have Miss Denise Glam Style Living, No Place Like Home with Miss Betty, and these ladies have some beautiful home decor channels. Man, they can take you shopping and find some beautiful things. But the last one is Miss Shar F. If you want to know anything about thrifting and flipping, check out Shar. She can find some amazing things, you guys, out thrifting. She taught me a thing or two, so I'm listing her in my shout out. You guys be blessed. Take care until my next video, as I am your host, Gigi Faison, and I thank you all so much for watching.